हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। ये वीडियो आपके सभी फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट रहने वाली है, तो आप इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखें। और अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द अमाइनो एसिड दैट इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट प्रिक्यूसर ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन इज ऑप्शन ए एलेनिन, ऑप्शन बी ग्लिसिन, ऑप्शन सी प्रोटीन, ऑप्शन डी आइसोल्यूसिन। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following is a sulfur containing amino acid? Option A arginine, option B asparagine, option C proline, option D cysteine. Correct answer is option D. Next question, thiabendazole containing basic ring structure of option A benzimidazole, option B quinoline, option C pyrazole, option D imidazole. Correct answer is option A, thiabendazole containing basic ring structure of benzimidazole. Next question, buffer are added in the sterilized product to maintain option A viscosity, option B sterility, option C isotonicity, option D pH. Buffer are added in the sterilized product to maintain pH. Option D is correct. Next question, disposable syringe are made of option A glass, option B polypropylene, option C polytetrachloroethylene, option D none of the above. Disposable syringe are made up of polypropylene. Option B is correct. Next question, identify the initial functional group in sulfonamide. Option A sulfonamido group, option B amino group, option C substituted heterocycle group attached to sulfonamide group, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option B amino group. Next question, talcum powder is most effectively sterilized by a option A autoclave, option B millipore, option C dry heat, option D gas sterilization. Talcum powder is most effectively sterilized by a dry heat. Option C is correct. Next question, which sulfonamide does not contain free aromatic amino group? Option A trimethoprim, option B sulfasalazine, option C mefenide, option D dapsone. Correct answer is option C mefenide. Next question, which antimalarial drug is not a 4-aminoquinoline derivative? Option A chloroquine, option B primaquine, option C amidoquine, option D hydroxychloroquine. Which antimalarial drug is not a 4-aminoquinoline derivative? Option B is correct, primaquine. Next question, some test is used to detect option A particulate, option B faculty seal in packaging, option C leakage in sterilized product, option D pyrogens. Some test is used to detect pyrogen. Option D is correct. Next question, chloroguanide hydrochloride is option A antimalarial drug, option B metabolized into soluble inactive drug, option C prodrug for the cycloguanilin, option D only effective by parenteral route. Correct answer is option C, chloroquinone hydrochloride is prodrug for the cycloguanilin. Next question, the augmentin tablet contain combination of option A ampicillin and potassium salt of clovinic acid, option B ampicillin and cloxacillin, option C amoxicillin and sulbactam, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option A. Next question, buffering agent used for parenteral preparation is option A benzyl alcohol, option B tartaric acid, option C sorbitol, option D sodium metabolite. Correct answer is option B, buffering agent used for parenteral preparation is tartaric acid. Next question, phentermine malate is an antihistaminic agent belonging to the class option A cyclic basic class analogues, option B ethylene diamine. Option C, amino alkyl ether analogues. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, ethylene diamine. Next question. Combination of glass is option A, soda ash, option B, sand, option C, limestone, option D, all of these. Correct answer is option D. Composition of glass is soda ash, sand and limestone. Correct answer is all of these. Next question. Source of aspirin is option A, animal, option B, plant, option C, synthetic, option D, mineral. Source of aspirin is synthetic. Option C is correct. Next question. Drug obtained from animal source. Option A, heparin, option B, cocaine, option C, insulin human, option D, none of the above. Drug obtained from animal source is option A, heparin. Next question. N-dimethyl 1-methyl 1-oxo-3 and 3-diphenyl-hexyl ammonium chloride is the chemical name for option A, methadone hydrochloride, option B, alpha proline hydrochloride, option C, mepridine hydrochloride, option D, darvone. Correct answer is option A, methadone hydrochloride. Next question. Alprazolam apart from 1,4-benzodiazepine ring also contain option A, pyrrole ring, option B, pyrrozole ring, option C, triazole ring, option D, furan ring. Correct answer is option C, triazole ring. Alprazolam apart from 1,4-benzodiazepine ring also contain triazole ring. Next question. An orphan drug is one that has option A, drug with high toxicity, option B, low therapeutic index, option C, imported drug from foreign, option D, special manufacturing economic. An orphan drug is one that has a special manufacturing economic, option D. The onset and duration of action of barbiturate are affected by option A, number of carbon atom substituted on the fifth position, option B, substitution on nitrogen atom at L position, option C, number of aromatic group, and option D, none of the above. The onset and duration of action of barbiturate are affected by number of carbon atom substituted on the fifth position. Option A is correct. Next question. Enema is administered through option A, sublingual, option B, oral, option C, body surface, option D, rectum. Enema is administered through rectum, option D. Next question. Which drug is a trioxane derivative? Option A, paraldehyde, option D, B, macetane, option C, triclofosodium, option D, trometine. Correct answer is option A, paraldehyde. Next question. Which are chemical substance produced by microorganism? Option A, antihypertensive drug, option B, local anesthetics, option C, antibiotic, option D, none of the above. Which are the chemical substance produced by microorganism is antibiotic, option C is correct. Next question. Baclofen is a option A, analgesic drug, option B, analgesic and anti-inflammatory drug, option C, skeletal muscle relaxant, and option D, analgesic and antipyretic drug. Correct answer is option C, skeletal muscle relaxant. Next question. Sealing of capsule is achieved by heating at option A, 100 degrees Celsius, option B, 37 to 14 degrees Celsius, option C, 20 degrees Celsius, option D, 70 degrees Celsius. Sealing of capsule is achieved by heating at 37 to 14 degrees Celsius. Option B is correct. Next question. Antric resin used for coating is option A, cellulose acetate, Antric resins used for coating is option A cellulose acetate phthalate, option B gene, option C salic, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option A. Next question. Moisture content is determined by option A gas chromatography, option B Carl-Fisher method, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B. मॉइस्चर कंटेंट इज डिटरमाइंड बाय कार्ल फिशर मेथड। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।